Seed is a living product that must be grown, harvested, and processed correctly in order to realize that yield potential of any rice variety. Good quality seed can increase its yields by 5 to 20%. Using good seeds leads to lower seedling rates, higher crop emerges, reduces replacing more uniform plants stands and more stasis, reduces weed problems and increases crop resistance to insect pests and diseases. All of these factors contributed to higher yields and more productivity rice farms. Good seed is pure, full and uniform in size, variable more than 80% germination with good seedlings vigor and free of weed seeds, seed-borne diseases, pathogens, insects or other matters. Chosen seed of a suitable variety of rice that suits the environment is full we grow in and using, ensuring the seed chosen of that variety is of the highest possible quality is the essential first step in rice production. Before rice can be planted, the soil should be in the best physical conditions for crop growth and soil surface is level. Land preparation involves plowing and harrowing to till or dig up, mix and levels the soil. Tillage allows the seeds to be planted at the right depth and themselves using hoes and other equipment, or they can be established by trapped animals such as buffalo or tractors and other machinery. Next, the land is leveled to reduce the amount of water wasted by an even pockets of too deep water or exposed soil. Effective land leveling allows the seedling to become established more easily, reduces the amount of effort required to manage the crop and increases both grain quality and yields. The two main practices of establishing rice plants are transplanting and direct seedling. Transplanting is the most popular plant establishment techniques across Asia. Pre-germinated seedlings are transferred from a seed bed to the wheat field. It requires less seed and is an effective method to control weeds. What requires more labor, seedlings may be transplanted by either machine or hand. Direct seedling involves broadcasting dry seeds or pre-germinated seeds or seedlings by hand or planting them by machine in rain-fed and depth water ecosystem. Dry then incorporated either by logging or by harrowing while the soil is still dry. In irrigated areas, seed is normally pre-germinated prior to broadcasting. In rain-fed environments, when optimal amount of water may not be available for rice productions, a suite of options are available to farmers cope with different degrees and forms of water scarcity. It includes sound land preparations and pre-planting activities followed by techniques such as saturated soil culture, alternate wetting and drying raised beds, mulching and use of aerobic rice that can cope with drier conditions. At each growth stage, the rice plant has a specific nutrients needs. This makes nutrients management a critical aspect of rice farming. The unique properties of flooded soils makes rice different forms of any other crop because of prolonged flooding in rice field. Farmers can able to conserve soil organic matter and also receives free input of nitrogen from biological sources, which means that need little or no nitrogen fertilizer to retain yields. However, farms can tailor nutrients management to the specific conditions of their field to increase yields. The rice plant has a wide area of enemies in the field. These includes rodent, harmful insects, viruses, diseases and weeds. Farmers emerge weeds through water management and land preparations by hand weeding and in some cases herbicides applications. Understanding the interactions among pest, natural enemies, host plants, other organic and the environment allows farms to determine what if any pest management may be necessary.